Let's jump right into this. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're basically doing a digital unboxing of a premium toolkit that's designed to completely standardize your construction business. We're looking at the Construction Company Policies and Procedures Manual template, specifically the ABR 240WW package from Bizmanualz. Look, if you're tired of constantly putting out operational fires and you want to pull your site management out of the chaos and into a really streamlined, risk-averse system, you are absolutely in the right place.
So who is this actually for? Well, the beauty of this template is its scalability. It doesn't matter if you're an established construction firm realizing your current procedures are a bit, messy and in need of refining, or if you're a brand new independent contractor wanting to set up a rock-solid foundation from day one. This toolkit is engineered to fit right in. Today, we're going to look at exactly what you get inside this specific package.
Here's a quick look at our agenda for today. 1. The complete construction manual. 2. Inside, the core procedures. 3. Forms and job descriptions. 4. Built for immediate use. And finally, 5. Standardize your business today.
Starting off with Section 1, the Complete Construction Manual, standardizing your operations from the ground up.
Now, what's really wild here is the incredibly low barrier to entry. For an accessible price point of $129.99, which, let's be real, is just a tiny fraction of what a compliance consultant would charge to draft all this for you, you're securing a highly structured framework. It isn't just some basic document. It's a comprehensive guide crafted by industry experts specifically designed to ensure your projects get done safely, on time, and strictly within budget. It's all about minimizing the risk of delays and financial penalties right out of the gate.
Let's move into Section 2. Inside, the core procedures, the 12 pillars of construction management. Let's unpack the actual core of this manual. You get 12 pre-written procedures in the download. In the first half, addresses the critical financial and administrative workflows that keep a construction company breathing. You've got standard operating procedures detailing exactly how to handle project change orders and development contracts. It covers cost control, equipment control, estimating, and, crucially, notice the progressive payment policy that shows you exactly how to structure progress billing so you get paid fairly at every single phase. If you've ever had a project's budget spiral totally out of control, these are the guardrails you've been missing.
And that builds perfectly into the second half of the procedures, which tackles your on-the-ground operations and compliance. You're getting ready-to-use documents for project planning, purchasing, quality control, and those absolutely essential safety procedures that keep you from facing costly compliance violations or worse, site shutdowns. Plus, it gives you a standardized method for managing construction scheduling and your subcontractors, making sure everyone on site is working from the exact same playbook.
This brilliantly illustrates why having these pre-written procedures matters so much. Check out what Jeff Kay, a verified owner from New Jersey, said. He noted, "Templates are high quality. This is a fantastic baseline resource." And he hit the nail on the head. The crucial point is that you aren't sitting there staring at a blank page wondering how on earth to draft a safety procedure. You're starting with a fantastic high-quality baseline that you just have to tweak.
Moving on to Section 3, Forms and Job Descriptions, equipping your team for success.
Having procedures is great, obviously, but you actually need a way to execute them on the job site. That's exactly why you receive 14 corresponding construction forms. These allow you to immediately put those 12 procedures we just talked about into practice. You don't have to painstakingly build inspection checklists or change order sheets from scratch. They're right there, ready to go.
To keep your human resources perfectly organized, the template also throws in 16 detailed job descriptions. It's a really comprehensive breakdown. On the field staff side, you've got pre-written descriptions for carpenters, cement masons, electricians, and mechanics. Then, over on the management and engineering side, you have construction managers, civil and mechanical engineers, and environmental coordinators. It totally clarifies expectations for every single role in the organization.
And to further round out your HR needs, the whole package includes an entire construction employee handbook. That's normally a $60 value just by itself. This handbook contains policies for informing employees of expectations, privacy practices, worksite guidelines, benefits, and code of conduct. Oh, and here's a fantastic bonus. The manual actually includes a Spanish version, which is incredibly practical for today's diverse job sites.
Now, if you're looking at all this material and thinking, okay, where do I even start? Don't sweat it. The product includes a how-to construction manual preparation guide that walks you through a super simple process. Step 1, open the guide. Step 2, customize those easily editable templates to fit your specific office staff and work crew. And Step 3, implement the standardized policies with complete confidence. Which brings us to Section 4, built for immediate use, looking at time-saving delivery and formats.
For a pragmatic B2B buyer, the real question is how you actually interact with these documents to save time. Think about the old way. It involves drafting policies from scratch, wasting hundreds of hours and constantly risking that you've missed a critical compliance step that could cost you big time later. The Bizmanualz way is a totally different ballgame. It's delivered as an instant download zip file full of fully customizable Microsoft Word templates. They're easily editable, you buy it, download it immediately, and just start typing your company's name into the headers. It is literally that frictionless.
This format is a massive advantage. We can see it validated here by a construction CEO who left a review stating, "I anticipate that this will be a huge time saver and I'm looking forward to starting work on this in the next 2 weeks." They specifically highlight that immediate time-saving relief of having an editable baseline rather than starting from absolute zero.
Let's bring this all together in our final section. Section 5, Standardize Your Business Today, the ultimate return on investment.
Just think about what you achieve by taking a few hours to customize these templates. You instantly streamline your operations and completely eliminate those frustrating bottlenecks because your procedures are finally standardized. You operate in full compliance with complex safety regulations, mitigating massive financial risks. You vastly simplify new hire onboarding with a professional employee handbook. And honestly, perhaps best of all, Bizmanualz backs this entire package with a 30-day, risk-free money-back guarantee. You have absolutely nothing to lose and a massive amount of operational efficiency to gain.
So I'll leave you with this final thought. Are you ready to stop putting out fires and start revolutionizing your operations? If you want to build a strong, compliant foundation for enduring success, head over to the Bizmanualz site and download the Construction Company Policies and Procedures Manual Template ABR224DWD today. Standardize your business, empower your team, and really take control of your projects. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and we'll see you next time.